Variables are containers for data. They can be named almost anything. There are not many restrictions except that the first character of your variable name cannot be a digit. Variables are equivalent to a certain value, which can be a string or a number. Think of our variables as fruit boxes used in the market. It can store different type of fruits. Variables are kind of like that. To avoid a cluttered text editor, a single box can contain a numerical value, a string of just one word or a boolean. In Java, to create a variable, you must specify the type and assign it a value. Here are some examples. Let's assign the value of 5 to x and the string mango to y as shown in our code. Then, print x and y using the system.out.println method. This should print 5 and mango. X and y here are what we'd call variables, and int and string are what we'd call data types. We assign the values of a number and string to x and y. In the next example, instead of inputting values manually, we use variables to automatically replace parts of our text. Consider this code. Now, what if we want to change our story? Instead of mango, my new favorite fruit is orange. And what if Grace and I had a fight? Now I'll be eating my orange with a new friend. Let's call her Karen. Karen prefers to drink milk. Let's change soda to milk. Should we change every single word per line of code? That would probably take a while. So let's declare our variables. Then we'll add these variables to the strings using a convenient trick called string concatenation. Like math, you can add strings using the addition symbol or the addition operator. Let's go to our first line of code. Change mango to the variable favorite fruit. Again, don't forget about your punctuation mark and semicolon. It should print I like orange on the console. Did you get it right? Okay, let's try other lines of code. Using our variables and string concatenation, we can change the sentences. Let's write the code. Running the code would print I like eating orange with my favorite friend, Karen, and will like to drink milk too. Let's have a quick recap. In this video, we learned about variables, declaring variables, and using variables to change data. That's it for today. In the next lesson, we will be talking about syntax and errors. See you there!